Your lecturer will be Dr. Alcantara. Nag-lecture na ba kayo with Dr. Alcantara? Ano ba schedule ng section B? Oy, mga anak, mag-unmute na kayo. Tayo-tayo lang.
After po nito, Dok.
After. So, after
Opo, mas
nito,
mauna po yung skills nga po.
Okay. Oo nga, skills ang una nyo, no? After neto pa. Okay, development of the urinary system. Ayan, ang nagde-development lang sa atin si Dr. Vivar at si Dr. Alcantara. Okay, so you've seen this, correct? Are you familiar with the slide, class? That is the embryo slide. Nakita nyo na ba to? Hindi pa. Okay lang. Unmute na kayo. Tayo lang. Sige na.
Nakita na, Doc.
Nakita nyo na yan. Oo. So, this is the developing kidneys. This is the mesonephros. You have here, when we study the development of the digestive system, dun nyo to nakita eh. You have the mesocolon. Diba? Ito yun. This will be your landmark. Surrounding the mesocolon, that is the mesonephros. Okay? So, the mesonephros... Within the mesonephros, you can see these structures here. Okay? So these tubules here with an empty lumen. Kikita nyo, walang laman. That is the, okay, again, this is the mesonephros. This is the mesonephric tubules. Okay? So class, again, yung mga bilog-bilog na yan. Okay, with an empty lumen, that is the mesonephric tubules. Now, you can see these structures here. Okay, inside. Sa lumen, meron siyang structures inside. That is now the mesonephric glomerulus. Okay? So, did you get the difference, class? Yung empty lumen within the mesonephros, that is the mesonephric tubules. Pag may structures sa loob, inner structures within the tubules, that is the mesonephric glomerulus. Clear ba tayo doon? Okay, so the mesonephric tubules, the epithelial part of the mesonephric tubules, initially arises from the intermediate mesoderm. Okay, you will later on learn that in your lecture with Dr. Alcantara. Okay, so these tubules connect to the common duct, which is the mesonephric duct that extends within the mesoderm rostrocaudally. Okay, so this is the mesonephric duct. Okay, so in females, this mesonephric duct will degenerate or regress. Okay, so when we ask what is the fate of the mesonephric duct in females, regress or degenerate. Hindi pwedeng none. Pag none kasi, ibig sabihin existing siya, wala lang siyang fate. Okay? So again, when we ask for the fate of the mesonephric duct in females, it is degenerate. Clear? Class?
Yes po.
Okay. In male, this mesonephric part, the dorsal part of the mesonephric duct may persist to become part of the male ductal system. What are those? We have the epididymis, the vas deferens, the seminal vesicle, and the ejaculatory duct. So again, in male, it will become part of the ductal system, such as the epididymis, the vas deferens, the seminal vesicles, and the ejaculatory duct. Okay, mesonephric duct in males will have its fate. In females, it will degenerate or regress. Clear?
Yes po.
Okay, very good. So again, you have here the mesonephros. Please identify this. Ito, empty lumen.
Mesonephric tubules.
Very good. Etong mga to. Glomerulus. Okay, pag occupied yung inner structure, that is the mesonephric glomerulus. How about this, class? Etong nasa baba. That is actually at the distal part. What is this? Mesonephric duct. Okay, what is the fate in females?
Generate.
Degenerate. In males? Ductal system. So what are the ductal system? Epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, and ejaculatory duct. Clear?
Yes po.
Okay, so again, correct. That is the mesonephric glomerulus, the tubules, and the mesonephric duct. Okay? Okay. So the urogenital ridge, that is the thickening on the medial aspect of the mesonephros. Okay, so itong medial aspect ng mesonephros, you have again this thickening, that is the urogenital ridge. Okay, the fate of the urogenital ridge, it will become the indifferent gonads. Again, fate of the urogenital ridge will be the indifferent gonads. Okay? Okay. Urogenital ridge in different gonads. Are we clear, class? Clear? Okay. Dapat pala naglagay ako ng picture ng indifferent gonads here. Dr. Vibar, parang kulang to, no? Nandiyan ba si Dr. Vibar? I will put a picture of the indifferent gonads, yung mas ano siya. I'll show it to you later. May time pa naman eh. Okay, mas ano siya, mas umbok yung indifferent gonads. Okay, so cloaca, that is the posterior orifice. This slide here, this whole slide, that is the cloaca, which is a posterior orifice that serves as the only opening for the digestive, reproductive, and the urinary tracts. It divides into the urogenital sinus anteriorly and the anal canal posteriorly. Okay, so this one, that is the anal canal. Okay, so you have here the urogenital sinus, yung parang sad, ano ba yan? Yung parang inverted, yung mouth niya. Okay, and you have here this opening here, posteriorly, that is the anal canal. Okay, you have here a septum. Okay, so that is the urorectal septum. Okay, it divides, again, the septum divides the urogenital sinus and the anal canal. Okay, so the urogenital sinus, okay, take note ha, anhin nyo rin to sa lecture nyo. Okay, the urogenital sinus, the proximal segment or the vesical segment will become the urinary bladder. The pelvic segment will become the prostatic and the membranous urethra in males. And the phallic segment will become the penile urethra. Okay. So again, you have here the urogenital sinus and the anal canal. It is separated by the urorectal septum. Okay. Stages of the development of the urinary bladder. Okay, so here, this is the umbilical cord. You have here, as a landmark, natatandaan niyo pa ba ito, class? Ha? Class, ito, yung sa digestive system, natatandaan pa ba ito?
Intestinal loop po.
Yes, the physiologic herniation of the intestinal loop. Very good. And you have here the urinary, the umbilical cord rather. You have here 2 arteries and a vein. Okay, at the center, you can see this structure here, that is the allantois or allantois, A-L-L-A-N-T-O-I-S. Okay, so that is the allantois or the allantois. Ito, allantois. It is located between the umbilical arteries, above the umbilical vein. Okay, so the allantois, this is the umbilical artery and the vein. Okay, so in between, you have again the allantois. Okay, so after the allantois, you can see, di ba, the allantois para siyang manipis lang. Ngayon, pag konting bumuka na siya, that is now the urachus. Okay, urachus. Again, the urachus is located in between the umbilical arteries. And pag malaking-malaki na siya, sometimes it is rectangular in shape. malaki na yung space na, that is now the urinary bladder. Okay? Are we clear? So pag manipis pa lang siya, alantwa, then this is the urachus, and pag malaki na siya, that is the bladder. Okay? Clear? Ha? Class?
Yes po.
Okay. So the umbilical arteries, okay? The proximal portion persists as what is the fate of the umbilical arteries? The proximal portion persists as the internal iliac and the superior vesical arteries. We've already taken this up during the development of the blood vessels. Tama ba? Tama ba? Hindi, parang hindi ko na isasama siya kung na-take up na natin to last sem. Parang na-take up. Class? Dr. Vibar? Uy, kausapin
Yes, doktora. Ano yun?
Hindi ako sinasagot ng klase. Ano na ba nila to? Di ba na during the development of the blood vessels, alam na nila
Oo,
to?
alam nila yung umbilical artery.
Oo. So,
Pero pwede pa rin balikan kasi nga
pwede,
kasama yan sa ano.
kasama rin naman, no? So, umbilical artery, the proximal portion will become as the internal iliac and the superior vesical arteries. The distal part are obliterated to form the medial umbilical ligament. Medial umbilical ligament. Of course, the umbilical veins, as sinasabi nga sa inyo ni Sir, what is left is left. Yung right, nag-degenerate na siya, yung umbilical vein. Degenerate, the right. The left will become the left umbilical vein and the ductus venosus. Okay? Okay. Tama ba? That's it. Yan lang. Okay, do you have any questions regarding the development? May time pa ba tayo? Hanap lang ako ng slide ng indifferent gonads. Stop share ako ha. Ba't nga wala ako na ilagay dito? Wait lang. Sige, mag-usap-usap muna kayo habang naghahanap ako. Do you have any questions, class? Atlas. Wait lang ha. Sige, mag-usap-usap kayo para hindi ako natotoxic dito sa ginagawa ko. Dahil naghahanap ako ng picture. Development of the... Uy, okay lang ba kayo? Pwede kayo mag-usap-usap dyan. Atlas. Do you have any questions, class? Ha?
The question po,
Yes.
pwede pong paulit po yung regarding sa urogenital ridge, yung mga fate po ng
yung
ibang
mga
parts po.
Sure,
Medyo
sure.
nabilisan lang po kasi.
Okay. Sige, ulitin ko yan na. May hanapin lang akong sandali dito. Shucks, parang wala akong... Hindi. Para lang. Wait lang. May hinahanap lang ako sa ating picture para isang pakitaan ko na lang ng slide. Wait. Digestive. Ay, kaya pala wala rin ako dito. Sige. Okay. Ulitin ko na lang yung sa urogenital ridge. Kasi wala rin akong picture. Hahanap ako tapos ilalagay ko na lang. Basta yung indifferent gonads kasi yung mas mataba na siya. Mas makapal na siya. Okay? So for the, anong tanong mo mahal? Urogenital ridge? The urogenital, okay? The urogenital sinus. Okay? Yung ridge, yun yung parang separation between the urorectal septum. That is the separation. That is a layer of mesoderm between the urogenital sinus and the anal canal. Yung merong fate niya, that is the urogenital sinus. Yun yung parang
Smile.
inverted smiling. Yun. So there are three segments. The proximal segment, that is the vesical segment, which will become the urinary bladder. The pelvic segment will become the prostate and the membranous urethra in males. And the phallic segment will become the penile urethra. Okay? So again, that is the urogenital sinus. Sinus, butas siya. Okay?
Thank you po.
Okay. Sandali ah. May time pa naman tayo eh. Usap lang kayo habang naghahanap ako ng urogenital indifferent gonads pala. Kaya pala hindi ko nalagay, wala siya sa manual nyo. Hanap ako ng pictures sa mga dati kong slides. Wala rin si Doc Cyrus dito ngayon. Parang may load din dapat si Dr. Cyrus. Practical exam. Hindi ko i-share screen. Baka makita niyo yung mga practical exam ko eh. Dali lang ha. Excretory. Reproductive. Yun. Alam ko na kung saan ko siya hahanapin. Kaya siya wala dito kasi nasa reproductive siya malamang. Development of reproductive system. Anyways, ipapakita yun sa inyo sa development of the reproductive system. Kaya pala hindi ko siya nilagay kasi next topic nyo is the reproductive system. Yeah, here. Pakita ko na rin lang sa inyo nandito. I found it na. Yan, okay. So that is now the indifferent gonads. Makikita nyo mas mas thicker na siya compared to the ridge. Okay? This is the urogenital ridge we were talking about kanina. Okay? And pag indifferent gonads, mas thicker na siya. Okay? Makikita nyo pa to sa development of the reproductive system. Okay. So, do you have any questions? Kaya pala hindi ko siya sinama. Na-confuse ko kayo doon. Huwag niyo muna siyang aralin. Aralin niyo siya sa development of the repro and endocrine system, which will be next week. Okay, I will post that slide sa inyong Moodle because again, asynchronous kayo. Okay? So, are there any questions? Wala na. Naintindihan niyo naman. Later in the afternoon, you'll have your orientation for the histology of